Hey loves, it's vikishub here. So today I'm just gonna be switching up, just doing a little thing on this shoe. So as usual, the first thing I'm gonna do is to clean dirt and oil off the shoes, and I'm using nail polish. All right, so as you can see, it's male shoes and it's football shoes. So a friend of mine liked what I did with my shoe. If you haven't checked that video where I changed the color of my shoes, please make sure you do check it out. So he liked what I did with my shoe, and he wanted me to upgrade his, or rather change the color, because it was a bit old. So he just wanted something more dim, like black color. So I got a black spray paint, and this is all I needed for this DIY. So basically, after I cleaned it, I did the first set. You don't want to spray too much at once, you just spray little. I did, step by step, like stages rather, where I sprayed a little first and then I let it dry, and then I coated the second time, let it dry, then the third time. I repeated this for about 4 times or 5 times, all right, so that each layer dries properly. So that was all it was. So for this, because of the material of the shoes, is really flexible, unlike the sneakers I did the last time. So make sure you check out the video to know all the tips on trying to color your shoes or spray paint your shoes. So the material of this is so flexible, it's like rubbery, like I say rubbery, it's like rubber. All right, so it was okay and easy, and it adhered on the spray paint, adhered on the shoe. So yeah, this is how it turned out, this is how it looks. And yeah, so that's it. Make sure to subscribe and leave your comment also. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.